guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the March Bellabox. So let's get into it. Alrighty, I wonder what we have inside the box this month. Very cute card for this month. What do we have here? The first product I see is what I'm thinking is a Chlorine Dry Shampoo. Yeah, it is. The Chlorine Dry Shampoo with organic flax. This is just the sample, but the full size is $15.99 at Chemist Warehouse. The plant-powered volumizing dry shampoo is enriched with 100% organic flax to naturally lift and support fine, flat hair from the roots. A breakthrough clean formula that is proven to add long-lasting volume for up to 8 hours. Driven by a unique combination of flax fiber and highly absorbent and texturizing powders, this dry shampoo cleans hair without water. Dull and lifeless hair is left easier to style and instantly clean for improved next day hair and next day volume. So yeah, I really do love Chlorine dry shampoos. The oat one is my favorite dry shampoo ever. It just leaves your hair a lot softer than other dry shampoos do. So yeah, I'm keen to try this version of their dry shampoo because I really like the oat one. So yeah, that's actually a really great product to receive in the box. Next, we have a Reef product. This is the SPF50 Oil. This is just the sample, but the full size is $19.99 at Coles, Woolworths, Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. A sunscreen oil with SPF 50 that provides high broad spectrum protection from harmful effects in UVA and UVB rays. The moisturizing oil formulation glides on and is fast drying and absorbs quickly to leave skin feeling soft and supple. So I'm personally not really into sunscreen oils or tanning oils or any like that sort of thing in general. I haven't even used the last sample we got of this a while ago. So, I mean, I don't know if I'll get to using it, but I'm sure for some people this is a great product. I just don't see everyone loving it, if you know what I mean. Like, I know it's SPF 50, but like, it's still a sun oil. So yeah, it's an interesting product, but maybe they should have included it a few months ago or something. But yeah, it's not a super exciting product for me personally. Next, we have a Nude by Nature product. This is the Nude by Nature Energizing Facial Cleanser. This is also just a sample, but the full size is $22.99 at BW, Maya, Priceline, Target, selected Chemist Warehouse and independent pharmacies, nudebynature.com.au. A fresh cleansing gel that gently but thoroughly removes makeup, excess oil, dirt and grime to reveal soft, supple skin made with naturally derived ingredients including kakadu plum, lingonberry and lily pilly. It protects and balances the skin as it cleanses to leave the skin feeling refreshed, soft, supple and glowing. Dermatologist tested, suitable for sensitive skin. So we did get a Nude by Nature skincare product a few months ago. I believe it was a moisturizer. I did use it and I must admit I didn't like it. Like that, you know what I mean? Like it wasn't a moisturizer that went well for my skin. It didn't leave me feeling very hydrated and it did struggle to sink into the skin as well. Like I felt it was very hard just to get it into the skin. It just kind of kept moving on top. And by the time I did get it into the skin, it didn't make my skin feel hydrated in any way. So I'm not saying that this cleanser won't be good, but I am going into it knowing I already didn't like one of their products. Granted, this could be a great product. I have to try it first, but I hope that, because this is from the same line, that I do hope that this is a better product than the moisturizer we received a few months ago. Next, we have a little Bondi Sands product. This is really cool considering this range of Bondi Sands skincare products is being really hyped up at the moment. I'm seeing a lot of it on social media, a lot of, people posting about it and stuff. So I love that Bellabox has kind of jumped on this pretty quickly to get us a sample of one of the products so we could try it, rather than like a year down the line when they're trying to get sales back. They're doing it now while the product is still new and hyped. So I think that's a really good move on Bellabox's part to include a sample of this product. But yeah, it is the Bondi Sands Bondi Babe Purifying Clay Mask. This is just a sample, but you can get the full size for $19.95 at Priceline and Chemist Warehouse. Bondi Sands Bondi Babe Clay Mask detoxifies skin for a clearer complexion, enriched with blue spirulina extract, bentonite clay, and matcha. Bondi Sands Bondi Babe reduces redness and draws out impurities to leave you with firm and glowing skin. I'm actually really keen to try this. I love a good clay mask, and I was actually going to do one tonight, but I think I might do this one instead of the one I was going to do because I'm really excited to give this a go. So yeah, I think this is a great move on Bellabox's part to include this product, and I'm really excited to give this a go considering how hyped up this range of skincare items from Bondi Sands is at the moment. So yeah, that's a really exciting product, and big thumbs up from me on that one. This is the hero product of the box. We did get to choose between a few Eylure products. This must have been whatever I chose. I chose some lashes. These are pre-glued lashes. Thought was interesting. The choices that we had didn't include just a regular pair of standard lashes. I think there was some glue, some like liner glue, pre-glued, and like other like different styles of things rather than just traditional lashes. So this was what I chose. Oh yeah, so there was a dye brow kit, like an eyeliner, like a line and lash, so like a liner that glues the lashes on, a lash glue, just like normal lash glue for normal lashes, and then these pre-glued lashes. So I figured I'd never tried pre-glued lashes before, so this would be something fun to give a go. This is full size and it retails for $10.99 at Amazon and selected Priceline stores. Eyelure Dye Brow is the ideal way to keep your brows looking full and fresh with colour that lasts up to 6 weeks. A proven formula will darken lighter brows to ensure an even colour and beautifully defined brows. Lash and Line is an innovative felt tip pen that lays down a precise line of adhesive and making applying your favourite lash easier than ever. The black Eylure Line and Lash doubles up as a smudge-proof liquid eyeliner for an all-day lash look you'll love. Eylure Lash Fix Lash Glue is long-lasting and quick-drying. This adhesive glue is cruelty-free and lasts up to 18 hours. Eylure's Naturals number 116 pre-glued long angled lash with twisty finish to add extra finish and thickness. No glue, no mess, no stress. So yeah, I'm pretty keen to give that a go, and they're not like super dramatic where it's going to look a bit funny. So yeah, that looks like a fun product that I've not really tried before. So I think that's great that we get to give something a go, especially when it's kind of a twist on a traditional eyelash. So yeah, that's a great product to be given in the box. We also have some cards. We have a wine deal and a dinnerly. So yeah, some advertisement as per usual. Okay, so looking at the products we got in the box this month, I'm kind of on the fence about it. We didn't get a bonus, which I'm a little disappointed by because they did bring the bonuses back for a few months there, but seems to not have come in this month. I am slightly leaning more positive in this box, I must admit. The dry shampoo is a great product to receive. The clay mask sample is an amazing product to receive considering it's not a year after the bandwagon has left sort of thing. The Reef Sunscreen is not something I'm excited about, but it is a more personally specific taste sort of product rather than something that the majority of people would like. So I guess I'm just one of those people. The cleanser, I will definitely try it out, but like, as I said, I didn't have an amazing experience with the first product I tried from them, but doesn't mean that this product is going to be bad. It just means that I guess I'm going into it a little bit more realistically. And the lashes from Eylure are also a great product to receive in the box. So I'm excited about 3 out of 5. So I would definitely consider that one a thumbs up from me. The 3 products that I'm excited about, I'm definitely going to get some use out of. And yeah, I think they're really great. And the 2 that I'm not super excited about aren't awful products, but they're just not like blowing me away like the other 3 have. So yeah, I think that this was a pretty good box considering majority rules, I guess, 3 out of 5. But yeah, please let me know in the comments what you guys got in your box and what did you think about what you got. Did we get something the same? Did you get something else? Like, I'd love to hear what you guys got in your box. And yeah, let's have a conversation in the comments. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next month. Bye guys.